In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to use Goodwall app on iPhone in 2025. So first you want to do is just search up Goodwall and just download it. Once you open the app, it's going to bring you to this page where you can find amazing challenges to do and win money. Users can participate in bite-sized lessons, quizzes, and challenges to build skills in areas such as AI and creativity. Completing this activity can lead to rewards including scholarship and cash prizes. To date, Goodwall and its partnership have awarded nearly $500,000 to users. And Goodwall has received positive reviews for its innovative approach to learning and community building. However, some users have reported issues with the app's interface and occasional bugs. The developers acknowledge this feedback and are working on improvements. If this video helped, be sure to subscribe and like.